Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am excited to have you all here, but don't forget, if this is your first time checking out my channel, make sure you guys are pressing that subscribe button right there below. Make sure you hit that bell too, because I try to post every week, but it doesn't always work that way. So you'll know when I'm posting. And make sure you're giving this video a thumbs up, because I got something special for you guys. I know you all have heard of the brand Black Paris. They're a high-end brand where it's not crazy to spend about $1,000 on an outfit, which is kind of what happened. I'm going to show you all a dope outfit that on their website will cost roughly about $1,000. And I think it was worth it, but I want to know what you all thought. Everything that I show you all today will be in the description below with the price and the link under there so you can actually see it. So let's get started. Let me just say that I love that they have a thank you card in every individual item. I find that to be very personable, and I like that a lot. First up, we have the Black Paris varsity jacket. I like it already. The material feels like real. You know, that leather in your hands, that actual thickness of the wool. It doesn't feel cheap. I'm obsessed with the front. It's not crazy that this actually has the rose on it. When you look at the rest of the outfit, you'll see that that rose plays a part in not only their brand, but my outfit altogether. I like that it has just the black across it, and honestly, I'm digging the patch. I think that this is a well-off jacket and definitely worth the cost of it. Because honestly, guys, these aren't the cheapest jackets, but you get what you pay for. Quality is everything. Also about this jacket that I want to show you guys is the lining that also has their initials just running through it and just having black all through it too. It's a good feel, and that's why I like them. On to the next item, the Black Rose t-shirt. I told you guys I was going for a theme when I chose this outfit. Something as simple as literally a black rose embroidered with black going down it. I think this is simple, it's minimalist, but it fits the outfit perfectly. And it's gonna look great with the rose jacket. Next up is really simple. I wanted to just see the quality of their jeans. So I went with, obviously, a pair of black jeans. Honestly, I've been having so much trouble trying to find a good pair of black jeans that aren't ripped, that aren't crazy expensive, and that aren't faded. I have always been a huge fan of flex denim. I like that they're all black. They're not faded black. Though these are a pair of their slim fit. That's my favorite type of jean, and I really tend to be kind of picky because you say slim fit and they still end up being really loose. Again, I'm really liking the way it looks as a fit. It looks as though these are a genuine slim fit. The base of them kind of look a little bit looser, but that could just be the way that they look while I'm looking at them versus how they're going to look on my body, which we'll see real soon. This accessory I actually got because I changed my hair, and I was really excited to see if I could still wear it, but it was a black baseball cap. I am excited to try this. Like I said, I really got this because I did change my hair significantly, and I just wanted to see if this style would work with the new version of me. But this will all be worn together. I think that with the varsity jacket, this is really giving that street, very modern today and not going over the top, which is what I really like. Last thing is actually the tote, and I actually kept this one in the bag because I like this bag. Like, who would have thought that the bag for the bag would have been so hot too? But this is their puff tote. I wanted something other than, you know, my other tote. Now that I've kind of opened up to the idea of wearing and carrying a tote when I need to, especially with me traveling in the city a lot, this tote is very simple. I like the stitched on handles. I really do like the size of it. If you can look inside of this bad boy, it's actually pretty big. It holds a lot. It does have a couple pockets for your cell phone and whatnot. It has a magnetic closing. I like this. Again, they're really big on minimalism, and this shows in all of their items, even their accessories. This tote is pretty dope. I really like the puffiness of it. It gives that very urban street look and design and feel to it. It reminds me of very much of like those puffy coats that you wear, like especially being from Chicago. That's what I think of when I look at this, and I just think of that kind of style, that street style, and I think that it matches with the outfit that I'll be wearing it with 100%. That's all the parts of the outfit, and the last thing to do is to try it on and kind of find out if I made a good decision. I will say that since I've gotten this outfit, there has been one issue. I don't know which shoes to choose. Now I'm thinking of using these black boots that I have, but obviously you all saw my last video, and I do have some very colorful fila, which is making me think that might be a good choice, being that my outfit is all black, like literally all black. So let's try it on and see what we think. This is full outfit, tote in hand and everything. Now this is what I was saying. This is my safe outfit because I went with the black boots. Now don't get me wrong, if I'm going for that all black look, this is it. This is that very sleek look. Now, hat. Okay, so this is new for me. The hat with the hair coming out like this is new. First time ever trying it, so I want to know, what do you all think? Is this the new me? Is this Char? I think it's a good look. This whole outfit is a new vibe. I dig it. But let me show you guys what this will look like with the filas. Okay, y'all, am I crazy or like, do these not hit? These filas, they hit, right? I think this is like a bolder move. This would be it. I want to know what you all think. Which one would you choose? Black or these here? You can't go wrong with either one. But I want to know, if you are rocking this outfit today, which one of these would you try on? Guys, if you like this video, giving it that thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed. I love hearing from you. So guys, comment. I want to know what you all are thinking. Are you all even close to liking my style? Because I do all of this for you. And make sure you all are on all of my platforms. You guys should start seeing me everywhere. I'm trying to bust out as much content everywhere that I can. So keep up with that by hitting that bell and making sure that you're subscribed to all of my platforms and following me everywhere possible. Alright guys, so that's it for today. As always guys, show love, support the dream, and spread positivity. I'll see you guys real soon.